Hello everyone, so today we'll introduce how to share a Parquet file from DLF to a recipient outside of Alibaba Cloud. So first, let's go to DLF. And here we'll need to find out the catalog that we would like to share. So for today, we'll be sharing this catalog, which is test 0901. Right, so for the next step, let's go to Alibaba Cloud's Open API website, which is api.alibabacloud.com. So this is basically our Open API website where you can search for all the Open API services on Alibaba Cloud. So here, let's search for data lake formation and click into it. And now let's hit debugging. So here we'll be able to find out all the API functions that are related to data lake formation. So for today, we'll be using get catalog token. So let's just type this in. Yeah, it's already here. So let's just click into it. And this function will basically enable us to generate the access key and secret key and token for the specific OSS bucket underlying of our DLF catalog. So the catalog we'll be sharing today is called test 0901. So let's type in and then click initiate call. Yep, and here we'll be able to sort of like see the access key ID and access key secret, as well as the token for this catalog. So using these three information will get us the access into the OSS buckets of this catalog, and we'll be able to sort of like make use all the files underlying this OSS bucket. So the next step is we'll need to go into our OSS browser. So this is basically an application created by the OSS team that basically aims for making interaction with OSS easier. So now what we can do is we can basically input our access key ID and access key secret, which are all stored here. So let's copy it and paste it. And for the access key secrets, we can also just copy and paste. And for the token, let's also just copy and then paste. And here we'll also need to paste our OSS path, which is right here. And we'll also make sure that we specify our region, which is Shanghai. The default region will be Hangzhou. And now let's click log on. And we'll be able to see like all the files underlying our OSS bucket, which contains our DLF catalog. If we want to access to our Parquet file, we just have to click into the correct folder. And then let's click bucket 0 here, and then we'll be able to find out our Parquet files. So here we can basically just download these files and then send to our recipients outside of Alibaba Cloud. So that's it for today's demonstration. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.